Well, you're certainly not going to need a sweater out there this afternoon. It feels more like mid-September with these temperatures that are in the lower 70s. Check out these numbers. We're at 71 here in Mount Pleasant. So a very warm afternoon, but we are going to be tracking some changes as we go into the weekend, and that's where we're really going to focus here. Our warm weather is going to continue, that's for sure. We're tracking in some rain showers as we go into tomorrow and especially into the daytime on Saturday. Also the gusty winds, those are really going to be picking up not only tomorrow, but especially into the daytime on Saturday. So we're going to time that all out for you. Right now, we just have quiet conditions. There are a few high clouds around the area, but a strengthening low pressure is going to come out of the southern plains and advance into the upper Great Lakes, bring very gusty winds. There are already wind advisories here across central and southern Illinois for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. I think on Saturday we'll see gusts of at least up to 50 miles per hour, possibly a little bit stronger than that as this low pressure moves in, and it will intensify as it does so. So we'll show you that right here with our Skycast wind gusts. Through the day tomorrow, we're talking wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour. But watch as we go into Saturday, they get even stronger on us. We'll see wind gusts on Saturday, I think between 45 and 55 miles per hour. And it's not even out of the question here that we could see a few gusts approach 60 miles per hour. So this is really going to blow around all those leaves that have fallen off the trees and could result in some scattered power outages across mid-Michigan on Saturday. So keep that in mind as we go forward here into our weekend. Now, as far as the rain potential, let's show you how that looks. This evening we're clear, but we'll thicken up the clouds overnight. It will be very warm tonight. We're talking lows in the 50s. That's where our highs should be here in early November. So very warm for sure. Now, as we carry in tomorrow afternoon, I think we see a few scattered showers. They'll be hit or miss. The steadier showers will be off to our northwest, closer to the stationary front. And even as we carry into Friday night, we will see a mainly dry and just mostly cloudy night ahead of us. Now, as we carry into Saturday, here's your low pressure. This is going to undergo some intensification here and strengthen as it moves towards Marquette. And this cold front will approach as well. That'll touch off showers Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, along with those very gusty winds. And then we will see the clearing move in very quickly behind this as we go into Sunday. So as quickly as we see the rain on Saturday, we go right back to sunshine and still warm conditions going into the daytime on Sunday. So this evening we are clear, but clouds will increase overnight. So we'll call it partly cloudy as we head towards tomorrow morning, and mild once again with our low down to 53. Tomorrow it's mostly cloudy and warm. 64 will be our temperature by noon. And in the afternoon we're talking again those hit or miss showers with temperatures still warm into the upper 60s. Here's how that 7-day outlook plays out. We then bring in the rain and the main story, the wind, as we go into Saturday. Still in the mid 60s ahead of that cold front. We do turn our clocks back 1 hour Saturday night, so there is an extra hour of sleep there. And then on Sunday, we do turn mostly sunny and lower 60s, so any cleanup that we might have to do from those gusty winds on Saturdays, Sunday looks good to do that. And then we will see a lot of sunshine as we head into next week. Send it back over to you, Kylie in Brooklyn.
I think I might get after I leave the studio because it is perfect frozen hot chocolate day. 71 degrees right now. Looking at our other temperatures around the state, we're happy in the 70s. This is not the normal. The normal is usually 50s, so I'm really happy to enjoy this weather. Moving on to tonight, our evening planner, we are expected to see those temperatures drop. This is because we have some clearer skies. As those clouds move in, we will not be expecting to drop too much. We're 67 at 6 p.m. and then 57 at 12 as we move the kids off to the bus in the morning time. We're going to see that 54 degrees, and then when they come home, they have a chance of showers at 66, so make sure you grab them their rain jackets or their umbrellas, whatever you need to get those kids home and happy. Now moving on to these chances of showers, my biggest concern for this weekend is the winds. We're going to be talking about winds a lot today, but tomorrow we do have that chance of showers in the afternoon. Moving into Saturday, we're going to have those showers right ahead of the cold front, and then this low pressure system is going to be deepening, and that's going to be responsible for heavy winds. I am really concerned about these winds. We're going to be expecting maybe some power outages, and we are going to expect some power lines down. So as we move forward, it's going to be headed to 50 in Saturday. Now moving on to my 7-day forecast, I am going to be dropping temperatures. Don't forget we move that time back on Saturday. Back to you, girls.